Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? I got some bad news for you guys. I just ate a Kit Kat bar. You guys are screwed, right? All right. Let's see what's going on around the market. How's the sound, by the way, guys? Let me know how the sound is. I'm testing something out. Move my microphone just kind of down and closer. So let me know if it sounds a little bit better to you guys, okay? I noticed when I played back one of my videos where I have my microphone, so I had it up and to the right over here. So I've kind of brought it down and just put it in front of me. Hopefully that makes the sound a little bit better. Let me know, guys, though, if it's improved sound. If you like the sound better like this, let me know. All right, we got some stuff to get into. Quite a green little day. Zebec having itself a nice little dump. It's kind of the opposite of what I'm seeing. It's the Kit Kat talking, guys. It's the Kit Kat talking. Yeah, Zebec having a bit of a correction after the pump yesterday. So Zebec got listed on CoinStash yesterday, and then people started sharing a listing on Uphold as well. So people thought it was new information, including myself, but apparently it was already listed on Uphold. So people thought it had two new listings on major exchanges, which caused quite a bit of pump action yesterday. So that was nice. That was good. Let me know if you guys took profits or not. And nobody has commented on the sound. So thank you so much for completely ignoring my question altogether. But yeah. So anyway, Zebec's having a nice correction today, guys. And I got to be honest with you, it's a phenomenal opportunity, right? I know I'm doing some DCAing today, guys. Let me pull up the Zebec chart. Let's have a look at it before we get into the news. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a little looky-loo. All right, so we'll do. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Anyway, we'll do this. Okay. Zebec. Let's have a looky-loo. All right, check it out. Look at that correction. Boom. All the way down to 309262. Man, that was a fantastic DC opportunity. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did scoop some up, and I will be scooping up a lot more down at this level, guys. I will be scooping up a lot more. I'm taking full advantage of this bad boy. Fantastic project, guys. I have another video coming out this afternoon covering more about Zebec. So listen, you're not going to want to miss it. They have phenomenal partnerships, phenomenal use case. Trump himself just emphasized the other day when he addressed the crypto summit how important decentralized finance was to his administration, guys. Okay, and American-based companies, you've checked all those boxes when it comes to Zebec, guys. Right, American-based company, decentralized finance project. Card, Visa, the list goes on and on, right? Phenomenal project. If you're sleeping on Zebec, you're going to regret it in a few months. You're going to be looking back the same way you look back at XCN and Onyx Coin when it had its run. You're going to be like, how did I miss that? I'm telling you right now how you're going to miss it, right? But yeah, okay. So let me let's go over to the Bitcoin chart and have a look. Bam. Look at Bitcoin, eh? Trying to reaching for the stars, man. Reaching for the stars. Here I am calling for a move down to 69 to 74K, and Bitcoin's trying to reach up, trying. But you know what? Unless we start closing, like I said, guys, unless we start closing daily candles above 91, we're still in a downward trajectory. Now, the first step, I talked about this morning, the first step in a positive direction for me would be a close above this blue line that I put in this morning, which is at $86,900, let's call it, right? because that would be a higher high than this one right here. So that would be one small step in the right direction. So that's positive. That's bullish. But remember, guys, we got to, the main goal here is we got to get above 91K and start closing above there. So that's what we will be watching for. But it's nice to see Bitcoin trying to make a move here, right? It's nice to see that. Hopefully people are able to take some profits, you know. All right, let's get into the chat a little bit before we get into some of the news. Allison, there she is over on X, supporting the channel. Don't forget to follow Rob's X page at Rob Mass. Yes, guys, please follow me over on X as well. We gotta grow it out, guys. We gotta keep growing and expanding as a community. Oh, by the way, guys, we've been discussing a lot lately how YouTube has been suppressing the channel. Well, last night I reached out and I spoke to YouTube support, and just told them my concerns, right? About people are not getting, you guys are not getting your notifications and stuff like that, right? So they said, oh, nothing's wrong with the channel. But I watched another video on it from somebody else about having your YouTube channel shadow banned and how to get it lifted or whatever the case might be. And they basically said, once you usually contact support and talk to them, if you have a pleasant enough conversation, usually they lift the shadow ban. So hopefully, I did have a pleasant conversation. I was very polite. I was very friendly. You guys know me. And so hopefully that will help you guys start getting the notifications again and stuff like that, right? So I did reach out and speak to them about that. Hopefully that helps. William, my dude, my guy, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Danny's in the house. What's up, my guy? Good to see you. Volks, where you been, brother? I feel like I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks, man. Go time. What's up, buddy? Bruno's in the house. Good afternoon. Excited for the one-on-one today, Rob. There you go. Nice, 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 nice. Any Cardano army here? Yeah, we love Cardano here, brother. We love Cardonzo. Cardonzo's going to do fantastic. Cardonzo was actually one of my top projects. I remember in the last cycle, Cardano was like, I was really, really bullish. Not that I'm not bullish on Cardano now, but it was one of my top holdings in the last cycle. And I think that Cardano will do absolutely fantastic this time around as well. So, yes, we are fans of Cardonzo here. Absolutely. And I call it Cardonzo because of Jim Cramer, not to make fun of Cardano. Cardonzo, because Jim Cramer thinks it's called Cardonzo. So yeah. Isaac, my guy, he made it. He made it to a live stream. Good to see you, buddy. Listen, I'm happy that you've been working, man, making that extra dry powder. We do miss you around here on the daily live streams, buddy. But I got good news for you. The content is about to kick up into another gear. We're going to bring back the evening live streams for a while and see how it goes. We're going to be making more videos, more content to try to beat out the algorithm as well. So good news, man. If you're missing, I know you're missing the morning live stream all the time, but we may have the opportunity. Hopefully we can see you in the evening live streams. So thank you so much as always, brother. I appreciate you, man. So yeah, that's good news. That's good news. Jared, what's up, buddy? What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great start to your week. So far, so good, guys. I love Mondays, guys. I love Mondays. I do. I get to watch, I get to watch the markets respond to the weekend. I get to watch Monday Night Raw tonight on Netflix. You know what I'm saying? So I like Mondays, guys. Chess day, right? Chess day. It's actually back day for me today. I don't know how that worked out, but yeah. But anyway, Mondays are fantastic, guys, right? So yeah, anyone who hates Mondays, I got nothing for you. I love Mondays. Mondays are my favorite day of the week, guys. It's a fresh start. It's a fresh week. Let's see where the market goes this time around. Mario, what's up, buddy? Spidey sense tingling. Hello, future family. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, as always, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. Doesn't cost you a single penny. Doesn't cost you a dime. It just costs you a simple click of your mouse. And it would be greatly appreciated, guys. It would really, really be greatly appreciated, right? Help us beat out that algorithm. It's been holding us down lately. So, normally I don't harp on it, but we need to beat the algorithm here, guys. So help us out. Help us out. Guys, also, real quick, shout out to the channel sponsor before we move forward, Descent Self-Custody Wallet. Got a little bit of a sniffle here going on. Yeah, Descent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Check it out. They got a great thing going on right now. Great promotion. Check it out, guys. Attention, Filecoin holders. So if you want to hold some Filecoin on your Decent wallet, guys, they got you can get a Filecoin airdrop prize pool of $660, or you can get 50% off your Decent purchase, like your wallet, right? You get 50% off purchasing a Decent self-custody wallet. So get yourself one today, guys. Use our link down below for that. Guys, listen, I got to be honest with you. I use cold wallets. I have about 5 of them that I hold different things on. I use one to hold like my long-term Bitcoin. I use one to hold my swing trade stuff. One to hold my long-term, projects that I don't plan on selling, like my Jasmine, for example. You got it. Like I've said this before, guys. Leaving your crypto on a hot wallet or an exchange like Coinbase wallet or whatever, that's like leaving your wallet or purse on a table at a restaurant, getting up and going to the bathroom and hoping that no one walks by and steals it. You're just dangling your money out there for someone to come along and hack you, right? Why would you do that? Put it on a self-custody wallet where you know that it is safe, right? Because listen, I've had people get hacked and they come to me and they say, what can I do? What is my recourse? What is my course of action that I can recoup my money here, right? I got hacked. I accidentally clicked something or whatever, my wallet connected to this, that, or the other thing. It happens, guys, to the best of us. I see YouTubers, content creators who've been in crypto for years get hacked, right? It happens. There's nothing you can do about it. So they ask me, how do I recoup my money? And the short answer at the end of the day, guys, you can't. You cannot. There's nothing you can do. Once you get hacked and your money's gone, it's gone. The exchange is not responsible for reimbursing you unless the exchange itself gets hacked, right? If your specific wallet or address gets hacked on an exchange, that's your fault, and the exchange will not reimburse you. So don't do that to yourself. Put it on your self-custody wallet, guys. Use our link down below. Like I said, get a fantastic deal. We got super chats pouring in. Holy smokes. Shannon, what's up, buddy? Grateful for you, Rob. Hi, crypto family, man. I love you guys, man. I love you guys. Big Botto in the house. Hit the likes. Yes, hit the likes, guys. Absolutely. Support the channel. I'll love you forever. I'll love you forever. Isaac, brother, you are absolutely fantastic. You know that, man? You are fantastic. Rob, this is a gift for being yourself. You're best at what you do. Thanks. Hey, you know what? I appreciate you, Isaac, and I can't wait to see you back on the evening live streams, man. Moving forward, starting tonight, we will be doing that. So I'm super excited about it. I appreciate you, man. Right in the feels. Nothing but love, brother. Nothing but love. Also, guys, we're gonna knock out some key phrases on the channel as well that we're not gonna say anymore. So I'm gonna use different language because the algorithm and stuff. Like I said, we're getting shadow banned, so we're gonna tweak some things. The guy who leads your country down there in the States, we're gonna refer to him as Mr. T from now on. Okay. I'm going to do my best to refer to him. So if you hear me saying Mr. T, that's who I'm talking about, because the algorithm does not like us using his name, which is, I mean, neither here nor there, I guess, whatever. So, but yeah, so you might hear me step away from some phrases. It's not good, it's just I'm trying to fix the algorithm here as best I can. So yeah. What else we got? Mario, I got a little bit of Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's fantastic. Fantastic project. Absolutely, man. Green tea, Squirtle's in the house. What's going on? Bet everyone is loving the market today. Oh, yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Bitcoin at 88K. A lot of green out there, guys. A lot of green out there. I love seeing it. I love seeing it. Renders up 15.5%. Flux up 12. It's great. It's great to see. Lord of the Realm, what's up, buddy? Good afternoon. Hope all is well. I've been enjoying the nice vacation this past week. Yes. Be safe. Have fun, man. Enjoy that vacation, brother. You earned it. EZ. Pleasant surprise on the green day. Was able to roll some profits into Nadix. There you go. Nice. Nadix. That's going to be another bombshell project, guys. Absolutely fantastic. That's another gem we dropped over on the Patreon a few months ago, guys. Oh, you're going to want to get over there, guys. I'm telling you, you're missing out on some great listen, if you are looking for micro cap gems that you can get into, utility plays with fantastic tokenomics and all that stuff, with potential for 50 to 100x, guys, you're going to want to get over to the Patreon. You're going to want to get in early on the gems that we provide over there. I just dropped another gem video yesterday, microcap layer 1 project with fantastic potential, guys. Get over there, get involved in the community, one of the largest crypto communities in the space. Okay, Beebs, my guy, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Adverts even before the stream starts. Well, technically the stream starts when the counter starts, but I know it's YouTube runs the ads, right? It is what it is. But yeah, the reason that I do the countdown clock, guys, is because a lot of people are not getting the notifications that we're live. So before I was doing the countdown clock, people were showing up 45 minutes into the stream and going, "Why? I just got the notification you were live," or "I didn't know you were live at all." So I do the 15-minute counter clock to kind of give people a little bit more time to realize that we're live. That's why I do it that way, right? Because it was like, yeah, I mean, 75% of the people coming into the stream show up 5 minutes before the stream's over because they didn't know we were live. That sucks, right? Jess, what's up? Thank you for the meeting yesterday. Very helpful. I highly recommend the Patreon for anyone who hasn't joined yet. Absolutely, Jess. I'm always here for you. I really appreciate our one-on-ones too. Funky, what's up, man? This little pump I needed. Yeah, little bit of coming up for air for people, having this nice green day in the market. People can see that it's not all doom and gloom, and maybe feel a little bit better about things. So absolutely, man, absolutely. Boo, Venom, where have you been? I need answers, man. I haven't seen you forever. Mr. T Crypto Summit was bullish for crypto. Yes, there will be new millionaires. Oh yeah, what was it last cycle? I think the last cycle created something like 90,000 new millionaires in crypto or something like that. That's why like the SEC and stuff wanted to start, like Gary Gensler was trying to increase the value, like the qualifications to be an accredited investor from like $1 million in investments to $10 million, because crypto was making so many young people into millionaires. There's like 90,000 new millionaires created in the last cycle. And they were starting to get in. A lot of those people were converting over to being accredited investors and getting into pre-IPO companies and stuff like that, right? And they don't want that. They don't want people getting in early on these, because the more people that are able to get in early on these these brand new companies that haven't gone public yet, well, I mean, it increases the market cap. It increases the value of the stock ahead of time. They don't want that. They want to be the small niche people who are able to get in early on stocks before the company IPOs, and then it goes public, and then they sell it and dump it on retail investors, right? That's what they want. But crypto was making too many people millionaires. So Gary Gensler tried to increase the qualifications from $1 million to $10 million, which is absolutely absurd, right? Bruno, thanks for being genuine, Rob. Hey, no problem, man. I'm just me, brother. I'm just me. And here's the thing: some people hate me. Some people don't like me. I get like this one guy who like clicks dislike on every video that I make, and you know it's one guy because it's just there's only like one dislike on every single video. So it's the same dude sitting there going, I hate this guy, dislike. I guess he doesn't realize he's helping me anyways. By clicking dislike, it's still feeding the algorithm. So thank you. But yeah, I just try to be me, right? And listen, not everyone's going to like me. I'm just genuine. I'm just me. I'm just honest. I'm just here, right? I'm not trying to be someone that I'm not. So Bruno, thank you so much for acknowledging that, man. Thank you for that. I appreciate it, man, because some days, the hate gets to you some days. You know what I'm saying? Some days you're just like, it weighs on you. And so the appreciation, for you guys to appreciate me just being me and being genuine, that means a lot. It really does. So thank you. Leo, what's up, buddy? Just waiting for either red or green days to come. I'm ready for all scenarios. Thanks to you. Hey, that's right, man. Be ready, stay ready so that you don't got to get ready, right? That's the plan. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. Nice green day today, though, guys. Nice green day today. A lot of your guys' portfolios must be looking. If you've been buying the red over the last couple of weeks, like I have, your portfolio must be looking pretty nice right now on a day like today. Not where you want it to be, but still looking okay, right? It's got to be looking okay. Cryptic Jared says, let's support Rob on all channels. It's free, and we all take valuable information from what Rob does. Do it now. Do it. Lily, what's going on? Where have you been? I only see you sporadically lately. Where you been? Quentin, my guy, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Jordan, afternoon, folks. Hope you had a blessed weekend, Rob. I did. I had a good weekend. Things are good. I'm feeling good. I'm on a Kit Kat bar right now, guys. Oh, it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. We're going to work the back today, guys. Big pulls. Going to do some lat pull downs. It's going to be great. Thomas, what's up, buddy? LL woke up this morning just in time to catch the bottom of Zebec. Nice. Topped off my bag. Thank you, Panic Sellers. There you go, brother. That sounds like a win to me, man. Over the top. Been DCAing into Zebec all day today. Almost at 1 mil. Let's go. Nice. There you go, brother. There you go. Danny, enjoy your vacation. Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings. So many more to come. Shane, what's up, buddy? Dumb Money's in the house. Can't miss Dumb Money. Check. Sounds good. Nice. Blame it on the Kit Kats. Hey, that's what we got to do, man. Sounds good. Sound is good. Nice. The sound is good, but is it better than it normally is, or is it just sound the same as it always does? That's what I'm trying to figure out here. So let me know if there's a difference, if it sounds a little bit better than it normally does, or does it sound the same? Let me know. Jesse James, what's up, man? I am having a fantastic day. Took some profits just in case of a pullback. Accumulated another milli. There you go. I love to hear everybody winning. Shaun of the Living, I can hear you. Nice. Thank you so much, guys. Paul, sounds about the same. Okay, sounds about the same. Okay. Thank you for the uphold pump. I just shared the old listing. The next thing, it's going crazy. There you go, man. There you go. We're gonna need you to sing. So I don't think you want me to sing, man. I don't think you want me to sing. Everybody would unsubscribe if I started singing. I did take profits on my Zebec, and now I've grown a bag a little bit. Nice. Hey, a little bit is still a win, man. Jay, what's up, buddy? I think Zebec got deposited from a Korean site. You mean delisted? Same one to put. Yeah. Well, here's the thing. That's fine if they did, because they did get a new listing over on CoinStash yesterday. So that kind of counters that, right? In terms of liquidity. So that's not really that big of a deal. Jasmine community strong. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I uploaded over on X, guys. Listen, if you're not following me on X, you should be following me there, because I do upload exclusive content to X only. So I uploaded a video over there today talking about Jasmine and the whole Binance delisting FUD that was going around and stuff like that. So definitely follow me on X, guys, because yeah, I do put out exclusive content over there that you're not going to want to miss out on. So yeah. All right, where are we? Hussein, what's up, buddy? I mentioned the sound quality a while ago, and the chat seems to think it was fine, but I think it's still low. If you see any video you have where you feature otaku, you will see the difference. Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll check it out. I'll listen to it, because I play back some of my videos after I post them just to make sure the sound is there and everything like that. Because I see Caesar sometimes, he posts videos, he's got like a wonky microphone, so sometimes the poor guy uploads like a 15-minute video and then there's no sound, right? That's the worst, man. That's the worst. So normally I will like replay my video, but only the first couple seconds, just to make sure that the sound is there and everything. But I've never really listened to it to see, if the sound is okay or whatever. Plus, I got to figure out how to tweak this mic. I got a new microphone a couple of months ago, and so yeah. Jasmine downtrend from the 6th of December is breaking out. Nice. Yes, Jasmine's looking good too, man. This falling wedge pattern for Jasmine's getting pretty tight, guys. It's getting pretty tight. That's what she said. You're welcome for the Zebec pump schedule listing. Nice. Jasmine bigger than dirty. Jasmine bigger than dirty Binance. Nothing to fear. Bump in the road. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oliver, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. Jasmine Coin, let's go. Just got more. There you go, man. Ruben, what's up, buddy? What is the Zebec price target? I mean, I could see Zebec hitting 4 or 5 cents. I could see it hitting that. Maybe higher. I like to be conservative, right? I like to be conservative. There will be a burn. I don't know about a burn. Actually, wait. Yeah, I think I just went through their white paper. I just did a series of videos, 6 videos breaking down their brand new white paper. So, Ruben, what I would say, check out my library on YouTube. They just released their new white paper like last week, and I did a 6 video series breaking it down. So if you want to know all the latest on Zebec in terms of burns and all that kind of stuff, watch those videos. They're only about 12 minutes long each. I break them down in nice little segments so you have time to watch them all. But yeah, I do a fantastic job, if I say so myself, breaking down the white paper for you guys. So when act as if t-shirts, Rob. Yes, I am working heavily on the t-shirts, the hoodies, the mugs, the calendars. I know you guys really want those. You guys have been asking me about them over on the Patreon a lot. So I am working on those, guys. I promise they're coming. Danny, what's up, buddy? Eddie, hola. Looking forward to my one-on-one today. There you go, brother. There you go. Azarine, what's up, man? Thinking about DCAing a bit more into Zebec today while it's down. That is a fantastic. I am a fan of that idea, my friend. Hedera? Yes, we love Hedera. I have made a lot of money on HBAR just in this cycle. I am a big fan of HBAR. In fact, you know, I was kind of hoping that Bitcoin will pull back further because I would love to get HBAR back down around 14, 15 cents so I could accumulate another bag. Because yeah, I do love HBAR. I do love. They've done so much in this bear market. They're going to do fantastic in the bull run, in the parabolic part of this bull run for sure. I am a fan of HBAR. Yes, 10x your bags and Kit Kat bars with Rob in the Patreon. There you go, man. There you go. Evening live streams, perfect timing for me. Yes, exactly. I'm bringing it back, boys. I'm bringing it back. So, but you guys got to show up, because if I start doing the evening live streams again and nobody shows up, well, I mean, come on, right? How do you feel about HBAR? Love HBAR. Like I just said, brother. I know I'm probably reading this late, so, but I am very, very bullish on HBAR. We keep seeing green charts. You're gonna have to keep riding the Kit Kat train. Rob, what time does Raw come on Netflix? Well, that's the beauty of it now on Netflix, Dumb Money, is that it's live at, I think they go live at like 7 p.m. Central, my time. But you can watch it anytime you want because it's on Netflix, right? That's the beauty of it not being on cable TV anymore. I absolutely love that because now I don't miss it, right? I can watch it whenever I want now. So you can literally watch it Tuesday morning, Tuesday, whatever, right? So absolutely love it. I love that it's on Netflix now. And you also get the wrestling pay-per-views. You're going to be able to watch WrestleMania on Netflix, right, this year. So I'm very, very bullish on it. I'm very, very bullish. I love it. I watched the Royal Rumble there on Netflix. I watched Elimination Chamber. All the pay-per-views are on Netflix now, live. So another local, yeah. To the news of back to 2 live streams, fresh alpha twice a day. Thanks. Hey, no problem, man. No problem, guys. I gotta clear my throat. Sorry about that, guys. Go Jasmine. There you go. Have no fear. I am here. Amazing Coins. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, William. It's pretty bad. You can't say because of the, yeah, I know. You know what? I agree with you 100%, but you know what? At the end of the day, I gotta do what's best for the algorithm, right? It sucks, but Gamma Goddess, there she is. What's going on? Hope everyone is having a great day. Let's get this money. Exactly, William won't have that issue on Rumble. Yeah, but from what I understand, I've thought about Rumble, like dual streaming over on Rumble as well. But from my understanding, there's not many not many people over on Rumble. I had someone on CoinMarketCap ask me what utility does Nadix even have. All I could do was a little bit. Nadix just barely turned. Well, here's the thing, Jared. Whenever somebody asks me about an obvious utility token like Nadix or Jasmy or Zebec or Onyx Coin or anything like that, right? And they're like, well, what utility does it even have, right? My response is really quite simple. Like, dude, you're sitting here talking negatively about a project and you don't even know the answer to a simple question like what utility does the project have? That tells me you have done zero research into this project. You don't even know the basic question about what the token is used for, and you're fighting it. That means I can't take anything you say seriously because you literally know nothing about what you're talking about. And I don't mean that in like an attacky kind of way, like a derogatory kind of thing. I'm being 100% genuine when I say, if they don't even know the basic question of what the utility behind the token is, why are they talking negatively about it online? That shows that they're lazy, they don't do research, and they're just talking for the sake of talking. So they're not even worth your time, right? God bless you too, man. God bless you too. Absolutely. Thank you so much. I love my bag of Zebec. It pumps a little, and I'm making lots of profit. There you go. Nia, where have you been, Nia? I haven't seen you around in a while. Everyone keeps praising you for your charts over on the Patreon or that you share over there, but I haven't seen you lately. Long time, yes. Glad you're feeling better. Absolutely, we missed you. I'm glad you're back. Paul, my guy, what's going on? Good to see you, brother. My volume is down and I can hear you better. So it's super fantastic. Sound about the same? Okay. Not sure there's a noticeable difference. Perfect. Okay. That's what I like to hear, guys. That's what I like to hear. Thank you so much for the feedback. Yes, guys, as always, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help it grow. It doesn't cost you nothing. I'm going to get into a little bit of the news here in a moment. I'm going to step away from the chat momentarily. And, yeah, we're going to get into the news a little bit. So just bear with me here for un momento, por favor. All right. Sorry, my chat froze for some reason, so I'm just trying to unfreeze it. There. All right. It's unfrozen. We're back. New listing for Zebec coming soon. They just got listed on Crypto Stash or something like that. Is that what it's called? Crypto Stash? Some exchange called Crypto Stash or something. One Love, what's up, buddy? Happy Monday, man. Just a matter of time. We're winning. My X account here. I'll show you my X account. I will show it to you right on your screen. Here, guys, follow me over on X. Like I said, here it is on your screen right now. This is my X account. It says we're live streaming there right now, as you can see. But yeah, I share. See, I got an exclusive video right here. I share exclusive X only content that I don't share on YouTube, guys. So make sure you're following me over on X as well. That is my X page. So when I try to go back and watch it live, only shows me a 15-minute countdown, so I can't actually go back and watch it live. Any idea? That's strange, man. I don't know why that would be. That's the first time I've ever heard that. I just picked up 100K Zebec at 2 a.m. this morning. Nice. There you go. BitHub said they're delisting. Yeah, they've been FUDing Zebec for like a month now. Funny thing is, I don't think anybody cares anymore about the FUD that they're trying to spread about Zebec. So, yeah, I don't think anybody cares anymore. It's priced in. It's priced in. The FUD is priced in. Dumb money. We all love you, Rob. I love you too, man. I love you too, brother. Hell yeah, we do. I own some USD. Oh, scam. Evening. Yep. I'm going to be live tonight, Beebs. I am going to be live tonight. Axelar and Render, love them both. Fantastic projects. I do like both of those projects. Yes. What's Axelar looking like right now? It's 42 cents. It's up 1.5% on the day. Yeah, Axelar is a great project. $398 million market cap. Yeah, I like both of those projects. Absolutely. Hey, Rob, please keep promoting that BTC will dip hard. Maybe market makers watch. Yeah, hey, you know what? Like I said, if we start closing above 91K, guys, I will surrender that I am wrong and that we're not going to 69 to 74K. But until we do that, I will not let go of it, right? So, so yes, but I will gladly be wrong. See, it's a win-win for me, guys. If we invalidate the move down by starting to close above 91 and we start going into new all-time highs, I win because, I mean, I want the market to pump. I'm not a bear. I want the market to pump. And if we don't and we go down, well, then I'm going to buy the hell out of the dip and I win, right? So it's a win-win for all of us, really, not just for me, but for you guys too, right? So Zebec hit number one staked, Rob. Nice. Yeah, I actually have a little bit of an update on that later this afternoon. I have a video coming out about staking your Zebec. So David, what's up, buddy? You should try drinking out of a gallon jug of water like Caesar. I have one. I have, here. Boom. This is what I drink my water out of. Right? Those chats are the bomb. Those charts are the bomb. There you go. Yes. For Nia. Yes, exactly. Thanks, Rob. I'm just trying to help so some people don't ask the same. Hey, no, you know what? Absolutely. Everybody, including myself, Nia, truly appreciates that. Truly, truly appreciates that. So thank you so much for doing that. So good to be here. Carlos, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Your Spanish is bullish. Thank you. Considering I'm in Canada, right? Your X page is very informative. Yes, absolutely. I share a lot of stuff over on X that I don't share anywhere else, guys. So, right? Like I don't share because I can only share so much on YouTube. You know what I mean? So yeah. So make sure you're following me over on X. Paul, welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome to the member side. It's good to see you, man. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Look forward to chatting with you. Gain, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, what do you think about CME gap at 84K? Will that fill or skip? It'll probably fill. They usually fill, and it's not a big move to go down and fill it, right? It's like $4,000 from where we are. So, yeah. So yeah, that's not a big issue. It could wick down there tomorrow and then right back up again. Really, right? It's not a big move. So, Matt, good to know. Use the dip to scoop another 1 million Zebec. There you go, man. There you go. You still sticking higher probability of red this week? Yes, I am. Yeah, I already answered it. Yeah, like I said, until we start closing above 91K, then I still think we're going down a little bit lower, right? So yeah, that's kind of how I feel. I'm saying it here. So if we're down here later, right? Just remember that I was telling you guys this up here when everyone else was saying we're not going down. And I'll gladly be wrong, guys. Like I already said, I will gladly be wrong because I want the market to go up just like all of you. I want altcoin season to hit. My bags are packed just like all of you. But at the same time, you know, the charts tell me something different. That's fine. I'm going to take advantage of the opportunity, right? TARS AI. I don't know much about TARS AI, to be honest with you. I do not know much about it. Trump said today that he wants interest rates lower. Yes, I saw that actually. Where is that? I have that here. I have that right here. As you can see, let's actually read this. let's read this. Let's see what's going on. So this was today. Trump says he hopes Fed Chair Powell will lower interest rates. So another little hint here from Trump. Damn, I said his name, Mr. T. Sorry, to Powell. It says during an important cabinet meeting taking place today, Mr. T has reportedly said he hopes that the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, will lower interest rates. Indeed, Mr. T expressed his dissatisfaction with the central bank's decision to keep interest rates unchanged in March. The Federal Reserve has been fighting against inflation for the better part of 2 years in this post-you-know-what economy. It had gotten that figure down closer to 2% target. However, concerns surrounding the U.S. economy trajectory led to halt those efforts this month. Now, it is beginning to create a clash between Powell and Mr. T. So Trump, damn it, I said his name again. Mr. T calling for Powell to lower rates. We'll see what happens, right? But it's very good because, like, you know what he's doing? He's hinting here. He says, look, if you don't do this, then I'm going to have to continue, applying this pressure to the economy until you do, right? So we'll have to continue monitoring it, right? Nia, super fantastic. I swapped Avalanche, was in a little profit to Aerodrome and Swift and Jasmine. There you go. Nice projects, man. Angelo, any news yet on Jasmine and Binance? Yeah, Jasmine was not one of the projects selected for being delisted. So yeah, Superverse. I'm gonna put Superverse on my watch list. They just recently partnered with Myria, so I'm very, very bullish about that. I am a fan of Superverse. So I'm on push-ups. There you go. X marks the spot. 50 push-ups. Nia, you're not allowed to take vacations again. Yeah. Who authorized this vacation, Nia? I don't recall any requests. Studio Tech. What's up, buddy? Push-ups done. Nice. What's up, everybody? Always appreciate your Alpha Rob. Hey, Liquidity's in the house. Parallel Life, what's going on? Liquidity didn't get the notification as usual, but I know you stream around this time. So yeah, here's the thing, guys. If you're not getting the notifications that I'm live, I mean, all you really have to know is that I'm live every single day at 1 p.m. Central, right? Every day. And moving forward, starting today, we're going to be live at 8 p.m. Central, right? So you know that I'm going to be live. Now you know exactly when I'm going to be live. So just set reminders on your phone or something like that for when I'm live if YouTube's not telling you, right? Get a super box. You can get all the pay-per-views for free. Yeah, I mean, I have an Android box. I do have one. Right, and I usually watch most of my movies and TV shows. Like I'm watching Invincible and what's that movie? What's that show called? Damn it, Reacher. I'm watching Reacher and Invincible on there right now on my Android box. Daryl, what's up, buddy? If I find myself with some dry powder, what do you suggest? More Jasmine or Glimmer. You really can't go wrong with either one of those two projects, man. I really truly believe that Glimmer and Moonwell are a fantastic combination to have in your portfolio. Glimmer is an amazing layer 1 project, in my opinion. Moonwell is a decentralized finance project, a micro-cap decentralized finance project on Glimmer's layer 1, right, in their ecosystem. Fantastic combination to hold, in my opinion, in any portfolio. At least Trump said it will go. Damn it, I said his name again. Son of a. At least Mr. T said with less ego this time. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I meant Mr. T. Yeah, let's refer to him as Mr. T so that I don't accidentally say his name. We're trying to beat out the algorithm. like I said, guys, the reason I'm trying to beat out the algorithm is so that you guys get the notifications when I'm live, right? So, so help a brother out, man. Help a brother out. Hit the like button. That would certainly help. That would most certainly help, for sure, for sure. Normally, you guys know, normally I don't really harp on you guys about, can you hit the like button? Can you hit the like button? I don't really do that, but right now, I kind of have to, because we need to beat out this algorithm, right? We are being suppressed right now, so we got to work together here to get it. Like, there's 145 people on right now. There's only 73 likes, guys. So smash the like button for me. If Polkadot pumps a lot, Glimmer, Moonwell, Kusama, Tau will pump a lot harder. Yes, all belonging. Yes, there's also other ones in there too. Like, there's fantastic projects in there. A Star, right? A Star is another great one. They just got a partnership with I think the Japanese government as well, and they're working with. I want to say they're working with Sony for Sony's Sonium blockchain network, right? A Star is. So that's another fantastic project that you might want to look into. Rob, trying to book an appointment. It's not working with the link. Which link are you talking about? Are you talking about the Patreon link? Yeah, you just go over there. Once you're a member on the Patreon, you can just shoot me a DM, and I'll book you in for a one-on-one coaching session. So, got a bag of super back in. Nice. Yes, 8 cents. Nice. What is it right now? 51. Oh, that's a win, Gain. That is a win, my guy. Gonna get my push-ups in. Nice, Carlos. Nice, buddy. I like Elliott Trade. Lots of people give him slack recently. Well, it happens. It comes in waves, right? You get people that will. Here's the thing. Me too. I get a lot of people who attack me in the comments, and they're negative towards me and stuff like that. But it's like, you know what, man? I'm not mad at you. Honestly, I mean, I'm not mad at you, because look, some people are more emotional than others, right? Some people have to take their anger out because the market is not pumping the way they want it to. So they have to take that anger out on someone. And I understand that, right? So I will be your punching bag. It's fine. Attack me in the comment section of my videos and stuff like that. Click dislike on my videos. It's okay, right? Because when the market turns around, when the market's pumping, you're going to feel positive and all that stuff. So the only thing that I would say to you is I would advise getting your emotions in check, though, right? Because it's going to harm you in the long run when it comes to investing. I care about all of you guys. I have no ill will towards anyone who wants to attack me in the comment section. That's fine. Because I know that it's just coming from an emotional point where you're frustrated, right? So, Nia, we love you, Nia. Absolutely. What's your favorite bulk meal? Oh, I love spaghetti, man. I love spaghetti. I love pasta. Get me a big old mountain of spaghetti and meatballs and, some garlic cheese toast. Oh, man, I will eat it till I explode, right? Invincible, very good, Rob. You'll love it. Yes. Well, I'm all caught up now. Now I'm waiting for the next season to come out. It's a little frustrating. There's only like 8 episodes per season, but it probably takes a lot to animate an entire show, right? So I kind of understand at the same time. And they're paying some pretty big actors to be a part of that show, guys. They really are, right? They're not being cheap with who's playing the voices of the characters and stuff. I love that whole Glenn and Negan thing that they got going on, right? That's pretty cool. If you have a chance, bro, can you chart Plum for me? Yeah, but Big Botto, listen, you don't have to tell me that you're a Patreon member for me to chart for you, brother. You support the channel all the time, man. I will definitely have a look at the chart for you. Though I think I just charted this project 2 or 3 days ago, I think. Yeah, this hasn't been around very long, eh? I mean, this has only been around since January. So the chart's not really on a daily time frame. It's not really, there's not a whole bunch of reliable information you can pull from it at this point in time, because it's only been around for a few months, right? But what I can tell you is, I mean, yeah, you seem to have a bit of a bottom around here, right? And you're working your way upwards. Yeah, see, there's not a lot. There's just not a lot. If we go down to lower time frames, maybe go down to the 8 hour, see if we can come up with something. Yeah, see what I mean? There's not a lot of history here. So when you have a chart like this, where there's not a lot of history, there's not a lot you can really, you can really depend on. This whole area, in all honesty, this whole area that we're in, this is nothing but one massive consolidation for me, right? I think we're going to continue. I think that you've got it pretty much. You've got your high. Sorry. I mean, you've got a bit of a high here, right? You've been setting in your. You've been putting in the higher lows and stuff like that, but you don't really have anything to speak of yet. You tried your breakout, it failed to retest. You've rejected off of it again, so you're probably coming down a little bit further here, in my opinion. You may catch a little bit of support right around here, as you can see, right around this 17 cent 6-7. As you can see, it was support for quite a few candles here. It bounced here as support as well. So, but you kind of have a double top going on here, right? You kind of have a bit of a double top on the 8 hour. So you may actually fall below this support level. You might come back down and retest the bottom trend line here around 14 cents 20. That's what I would be looking at. You're probably going to see some more downside on it. So you might have another DCA opportunity present itself, in my opinion. I love Invincible. Absolutely. Yeah, the boys. Yeah, I love the boys as well. I'm a little upset because from what I understand, next season for the boys is like the final season. Why would you end such a great show? But yeah, apparently they're ending that show. X marks the spot. What happens if I leave some Jasmy on Binance and they go through delisting? If they delist it, they'll force convert your Jasmy to stablecoin, right? They'll sell it for you and move it into a stablecoin. A pity the fool. Can we just refer to Mr. T as Doodle? We all know Doodle is one of the Patreon goats. Oh, Doodle's the man. Doodle is the man. The algorithm is me off all this cussing after Mr. T. Yeah. Thumbs up to the awesome girls on the Patreon, man. You did it again. Great community. Thanks, Rob. Yeah, they're really, honestly, man, Nia, Trish, I mean, everybody over there, fantastic. Sal, I heard Zebec got delisted off an exchange. That's why it dumped. I mean, it might be some of the reason why it dumped, but I think a large part of why it dumped was just simply put a correction after a big pump, right? So, yeah, I mean, if you look at the chart, right? I mean, we had a pretty big pump. Now it's right back down to where it broke out from. Looks like it's actually kind of come right down. If you extend the trend line here, look at it's come right down and perfectly retested the top of the trend line. This is a good retest. We may see another move up. And yes, they got delisted from some exchange, but they also got a new listing on CoinStash as well. So they lost a listing, but they gained a listing as well. I'm ready for you to be right or wrong. It doesn't matter to me. Exactly. Apparently, they only have like 10 animators, but the way they hire more, yeah. You would think that their budget's going to start getting bigger, considering considering that the show is gaining so much popularity, right? Because I just watched from season 1 all the way through this last season of season 3, and I'll tell you right now, the animation from season 1 to season 3 got so much better, right? The animation from season 1 was kind of like Ren and Stimpy. Yeah, I just kind of aged myself there, but those of you who are around in the 80s, you know what I'm talking about with the animation, right? Vince was the best comic to TV adaptation as far as staying true. Yes, I agree. No problem, Big Botto. BTC closes above 91K today. May dump some of my dry powder in until. Yeah, I don't think it's going to close above 91K today. I mean, it's at 8. It's holding pretty strong at 88,470 right now. It seems to be meeting a little bit of resistance. I see a new project comes out on the 27th. Yes. I've been keeping one eye on Walrus. I think it's going to do well. Keep sweeping up the Swift coin. Is this volume anything? No, the volume's not anything to worry about. The volume's low across the market. So yeah, I agree with you. Swift is a phenomenal DCA opportunity. No, Jasmine's not delisting. No, it's not. Ren and Stimpy was raunchy. There you go. Exactly. All right, guys, listen, I got to get over to the Patreon. I have some one-on-one coaching calls I got to do. Get over there, guys. Get your spot booked in. There's only so many available, so I will see you guys over there. We're live over there tonight as well. What we do is we do a live stream here at 8 p.m. Central, and then immediately after, we're live over on the Patreon, so you don't want to miss out on that. I'm dropping another gem video over on the Patreon again today. I dropped a micro cap gem yesterday. I'm dropping another gem video over there today. Get over there and check that out. Book your one-on-one coaching calls with me, guys. I'll see you guys over there. And once again, check out the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Do not trust your crypto on exchanges or hot wallets like Coinbase Wallet. Hold your own crypto, guys, right? Get yourself a decent wallet. Use our link down below. They got a great deal going on right now. Check it out for yourself by using our link. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later tonight.